As commercial property owners re-energize and redefine their buildings, change often starts at the top. That's exactly what's happening at the Beltline Center in Detroit, an Albert Kahn designed building. Inhabitect has facilitated the removal and replacement of a 100-year-old membrane and replaced it with a green roof. This roof will reduce the stormwater runoff, increase the energy efficiency of the structure, as well as increase the value of the structure itself. The owner has done this with zero out-of-pocket expenses by using long-term, low-cost PACE financing provided by Counterpoint Sustainable Real Estate. This is the first green roof funded by PACE in the state of Michigan and the largest in the United States. This innovative financing will save the owner over $48,000 per year based on the long list of benefits that green roofs provide. The project is immediately cash flow positive, and the membrane will last 3 to 4 times longer than a traditional waterproofing membrane. If you would like to find out more how this might be possible at your property, please contact Inhabitect or Counterpoint Sustainable Real Estate.